Hello everyone. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to make money with ChatGPT, the revolutionary language model developed by OpenAI. If you're ready to harness the power of AI and increase your income, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive deep into how you can leverage ChatGPT's capabilities to unlock new opportunities and monetize your skills. Let's get started. 1. Understanding ChatGPT. Before we jump into making money with ChatGPT, let's take a moment to understand what it is. ChatGPT is an advanced language model that can generate human-like responses to text inputs. It's like having an AI-powered assistant at your fingertips. This revolutionary technology can be a game-changer for various applications, including making money. By tapping into the power of ChatGPT, you can offer unique services and solutions that cater to the needs of businesses and individuals alike. 2. Identifying profitable niches. The key to making money with ChatGPT lies in identifying profitable niches. Take some time to research and analyze industries where people are actively seeking information, assistance, or solutions. This could include areas like business, consulting, content creation, language translation, and customer support. By focusing on these niches, you'll be able to leverage ChatGPT's capabilities to provide valuable services that people are willing to pay for. 3. Building your online presence. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to build your online presence. Create a website or a landing page that showcases your expertise and the unique services you offer with the help of ChatGPT. Make sure to optimize your website for search engines and use social media platforms to promote your services and engage with potential clients. Building a strong online presence is crucial for attracting customers and establishing credibility in the digital landscape. 4. Creating and promoting ChatGPT-based products. Now let's talk about creating and promoting ChatGPT-based products. This could include developing digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or video tutorials that leverage ChatGPT's capabilities. For example, if you specialize in business consulting, you could create an ebook that provides valuable insights and strategies generated by ChatGPT. Promote these products through your website, social media channels, and relevant online communities. By offering unique and AI-powered products, you'll be able to establish yourself as an expert in your niche and attract customers who are willing to invest in your knowledge. 5. Offering ChatGPT-powered services. In addition to products, you can offer ChatGPT-powered services. This could involve providing personalized consultations, answering customer queries, or even offering AI-generated content for businesses. By leveraging ChatGPT's capabilities, you can deliver high-quality and efficient services that set you apart from the competition. Remember, the key is to offer unique and valuable services that solve your clients' problems and make their lives easier. By doing so, you'll build long-term relationships with your customers and establish a sustainable income stream. 6. Scaling your business. As your business grows, it's important to think about scaling. Consider hiring additional ChatGPT experts or training others to specialize in your niche. This will allow you to handle more clients and increase your earning potential. Scaling your business is crucial for long-term success and ensuring that you can meet the growing demand for your ChatGPT-powered services and products. Congratulations! You now have a comprehensive understanding of how to make money with ChatGPT. Remember, success won't happen overnight, but with dedication, creativity, and the power of ChatGPT, you can turn your knowledge into a profitable venture. Stay motivated, keep learning, and embrace the AI-powered future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Good luck!